Telephone town halls are a unique way for transportation agencies to connect with the public by having them engage in discussions from the comfort of their homes. Telephone town halls allow the public to actively listen in, ask questions, and participate in live polling to provide input for a plan or project. LA Metro hosted 2 telephone town halls to gather feedback for their next-gen bus study, which is a reimagining of bus service across Los Angeles County. Each town hall began with brief remarks about the planning process and why public input was important to the plan and budget decisions.
These telephone town hall meetings are a way for you to engage with the public in a way that is touching thousands of people, way more than you would in a traditional public meeting setting, all at once in a 1 hour or an hour and a half meeting that is like a live large conference call or a radio show. We push out a call to thousands of phone numbers, landlines and cell phone numbers, and ask people to stay on the line with us. We wanted to hear what people say about bus service, what their experience has been on Metro, and ask us questions and give us comments. Well, we promote the telephone town halls and also promote a call-in number so that if people are not one of the phone numbers that gets called out automatically, they can always call in.
Listeners can ask a question or make a comment by pushing a number on their phone and talking first with a screener. Listeners also participate in live polls during the town hall.
In previous surveys, Metro has heard from folks that the following are important for improving bus service. So please select which answer is most important to you as it relates to bus service. Press 1 for speed of the bus. Press 2 for the reliability of the bus, meaning it comes when it's supposed to. Push 3 for safety. Push 4 for frequency, so how frequent the bus comes. And press 5 if price is your most important thing.
On both nights, the poll results confirmed what Metro was hearing through other forms of outreach. Most people find service frequency more important than speed or price. Metro will factor this into the bus service concept for their next-gen plan.
What we've experienced is that you'll get anywhere from 2,000 to 4,000 people who will actually engage and participate in each of these telephone town hall meetings. And even for folks who only stay on the line for a few minutes, you are informing and educating them. So the answers to the questions, the comments that were shared, what you got through web, what comments people left for you on voicemails after the meeting, and what we got through our live electronic polling. And that becomes part of our record of what we heard from the public. And we consider that along with the other comments that we get through our website, through traditional public meetings or stakeholder meetings, and that all is compiled and it becomes part of what we then will analyze and use in how we make our decisions. So for agencies who have not yet used telephone town hall meetings, I encourage them to give it a try. It's very simple. You contract with a vendor who provides the telephone infrastructure. You pick your people from your agency that you think are best to have on the line. It's literally a matter of mapping out the meeting, how it's going to work, providing speaking points for people, having people in the room as staff support who can jot something down on a piece of paper or whisper something in someone's ear to help them answer a question, and allowing everybody to just be comfortable, informal.
The Colorado Department of Transportation hosted telephone town halls around the state to gather input for their statewide transportation plan. They held 15 town halls, 10 in rural transportation planning regions, and 5 in metropolitan regions, to hear about each area's needs and priorities. Live polling included questions on how CDOT should invest limited dollars. Nearly 58,000 people participated in these sessions for some length of time. In addition to automated call-outs, CDOT advertised a number people could call to participate. The results not only informed priorities in the statewide plan, but provided feedback for other CDOT plans, including transit, bicycle, pedestrian, and safety plans. Since adopting the plan, CDOT has used this method again to report on progress and continue the dialogue.